DJI have brought out their new Mavic Air 2, and quite frankly, this drone, this unmanned aerial vehicle, looks amazing. Its ability, its technology, its durability, if you watch DC Rainmaker's video, where it's crashed into a tree and into a signpost and survives, is astonishing. Proper, like, well done DJI. You've made a drone which I think is fantastic. It's small, it's compact, it has absolutely everything you'd want on it. The new controller looks a bit funny, but I understand putting the kind of your phone above the controller is less of a distraction when flying. I think that's a better move. But in terms of like where the technology is, this, I think, is probably the best drone you can get for your money. The only thing is, in the UK, the drone on its own, if you go to like Drones Direct, that's a site that I've bought a drone from in the past, £770 for a drone, which is great if you have you've got a job during this crackdown, this lockdown that we're on just now. If you've got that money to spend, but also the ability to go travel with it is our thing. So I cannot fault this drone. If you're looking for a review of this drone where I'm going to slate it like I've done with other drones in the past, it's not going to happen. This looks fantastic. Best money you can spend on it. The challenge with it is what opportunities are you going to get to actually fly it and not be arrested and not get in trouble, financial trouble, fines and all that kind of stuff. But, and I think the DJI, I'll mute this just in case I get busted for copyright. The advert that they've got for it is pretty good. It's awesome. It's up there with GoPro's kind of videos. But look, that one might be a bit suspect. One, flying over water. So many of these drones, if you're on any like the DJI Phantom pilots Facebook groups, the amount of people that show that their map footage of, I flew over water and then it died and it crashed, and DJI with their DJI refresh thing that I bought isn't going to replace it. Don't fly over water if you can. It's a very, very dangerous move. Here, possibly not the best place to be flying with not only flying over water, but the amount of potential interference with the amount of like all these boats are pretty high-tech boats that are going to be needing radio communication with lots of things. Some might even have radar and satellite. There's a lot of stuff going on there. Probably a lot of electromagnetic interference going on in that kind of area. I would just advise, don't fly near boats. Not the best. Unless you're like way above it. But also, did you notice that shot? That must have been a drone following a drone shot. I like that. Drone following drones. Nice. And the speed. So here, look at this shot. Perfect. If you're a person that can go traveling to places in the world where it can be that quiet, you're not worried about well, one, if it's in America and it's not a national park. I think all national parks in America have been closed down. You're not around a busy area. There's not lots of other public tourists and all that kind of stuff. Then yes, you can get amazing shots with that, and that is just beautiful. But can you ever get this? Are you ever going to be going traveling to these places? That is the question. Amazing. Again, fantastic. Up in the mountains. Remember, batteries do die a lot quicker when in the cold. So I think it's saying it's got like a 30. Wait, hold on. What does it say? A 34-minute flight time. You obviously never fly the maximum flight time, otherwise it's very dangerous. So you cut that by a third, I would say. So you're talking about a 25-minute flight time, and then in the cold that's getting reduced a lot down. And also your batteries need to be kept warm for the drone to actually fly, so you keep your batteries under your armpits as you go up the hill. And you're talking about maybe 12 minutes flight time in a cold place like that. Safe flight time is what I'm meaning. You could possibly do 15, 16 minutes, but the battery will just be dropping fast on that. Especially, again, look at this. No wind. perfectly calm location. What a shot. Again, out in the middle of nowhere, very cool. Following bikers, again, top of mountains. If you can get up there and you're not going to be surrounded by other tourists all taking photos of this area, what great shots you could potentially get. Down at the beach, again, solitary beach. Look at this. Look at that spiraling shot. Oh, rock climbers, sledgers. Ooh, in a cave. Wonder how the GPS worked on that. But yeah. Ooh, boat area, dangerous. Oh, no. This, you're literally flying over other people's houses. I don't think you've got commercial permit, or maybe the people that made this video got commercial okay to do this, but unless you're going through all the flight courses and going through the proper channels, especially in different countries. In some countries, it's been completely banned outright. Inside a tunnel. Oh, look at that slow-mo. So it's got a slow-mo feature as well. Oh! Oh, did we just see that shot? Is it real? So they've obviously done a lot of shot out in this arid area. And look at this one. Backwards. Is it backwards? And that person's walking forward and through the tent. That almost looks CGI'd. But it was very quick, but that was cool. Again, city-wise, a bit dodgy. Not just because, well, it's obviously quiet just now, but this place looks like it would have lots of pigeons. Pigeons, seagulls, birds around the area. They are very much attracted to the buzzing noise of any drone. Again, if there's any pedestrian on the street, you've got to keep well, certainly in the UK, the rules are you've got at least 50 metres away from any person on the street. But oh yeah, so if you have your own lake, your own snow park, your own bike park, oh yeah, oh, I want to see that shot. I want to see how that one finishes. There's some shots. Oh, now super no, super massive no. Again, the amount of interference in cities, the amount, again, if you're on any of the Facebook group pages talking about the amount of things where people, especially in this height as well. Once you get to a certain height, there's some weird air turbulences that can be going on. So at ground level, you can be going, oh yeah, it's a nice, lovely, it's a totally calm. Once you get to skyscraper height, there could be a bit of a draft. Which again, if you're standing at the very top of the skyscraper, you're like, it's a bit of a draft. But around the corners of some of these skyscrapers, there's some weird urban turbulence that goes on that can whip it around and just like start sucking the drone into the building and make it smack into the building. So some people think, I lost control. It's not that I lost control, it's that there's just such a rotating vortex of air that just sucks the drone and it smacks it into buildings and crashes. Again, Facebook groups, we've got actual footage of it. So don't do it in cities, especially above people, above cars. Because again, if it crashes, if it falls down, if a prop slightly malfunctions for a millisecond, that's an amazing shot. Then it's falling down and it could be potentially damaging somebody's Lamborghini. Maybe somebody from the mafia. Somebody from a mafioso Lamborghini gets cracked and they find your name on it. You don't want that happening. But yeah, so if you are doing cool adventures like this, you have massive areas, I 100% say yes, get this drone if you've got the cash, if you've got the time. Look at that. If you're able to go to a ski resort, let's go to Italy. Let's go to the Italian Alps. Yeah, not happening. So yeah, if you've got the cash and you can travel and you live in a place that's that amazing, that would be a very good thing to buy. I wouldn't actually buy that one though. Let's see if there is another one. DJI Mavic is like you want the fly all combo. Yeah. So the fly more combo, we're going for a nice way to put it, £25 a month. Not bad. But yeah, we're going for £1,000, but that gets you 3 batteries, like a special battery charging thing, all the cables and extra props that you need, and a handy bag. That's good. And then you need a memory card and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, you're going £1,000 if you're going, especially if you're going to the cold places. The batteries will run out so quickly. that you'll definitely need multiple batteries to get multiple shots. And if it's windy, it will use up more battery power as well. So the DJI Mavic Air 2, if I had the money, if I was able to travel, if I was doing cool things like the people in those videos, 100% this would be the drone that I would be purchasing. All other ones I would just not bother with anymore. It's an absolute winner. Well done, DJI. Just unfortunate time to release it when nobody can go anywhere. Oops. Hope you're all doing well. Cheers. Bye-bye.